flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 11:45 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the warning area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Wind Point, Caledonia, Bristol, Elmwood Park, North Bend, Franksville. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Double header. Severe thunderstorm warning. Double header. Severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, there goes the light.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock County in south central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ogden, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Beloit around 8:45 p.m., Clinton around 8:55 p.m., Sharon around 9 p.m., Darien around 9:05 p.m., Walworth and Fontaine on Geneva Lake around 9:10 p.m., Elkhorn, Williams Bay, Delavon Lake and Como around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Chaupier, Millard, Avalon, Johnstown Center, Magnolia, Emerald Grove, Tiffany, Richmond, Hanover and Allens Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60.